How to pay later with Temu. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. First, open your Temu app to access the home page. Now, browse the Temu e-commerce marketplace and choose the products you want to buy. Just like a regular online shopping experience, but with a special payment option at the end. Once you have selected your items, add them to your cart. After you are done shopping, go to the cart section located at the bottom right corner and click on cart. On the cart page, select the items you wish to purchase, then click on the checkout button. Scroll down on the checkout page until you reach the payment method section. Here you will find the afterpay option. Select it and confirm your order. Here's how the payment plan works. When you make purchase, Temu will charge you the first installment, which is 25% of the total value. Subsequently, Temu will automatically charge your credit card every 14 days for the remaining balance, with each payment also being 25% of the total order value. For example, if your total purchase is $114.80, your initial payment will be $28.70. You will receive your products immediately and you have 6 weeks to pay off the total amount. The best part is that there are no interest charges during this period. This payment method allows you to spread your payments over 6 weeks, making it easier to manage your finances. Temu's Pay Later feature is a convenient way to shop online without financial stress. By following these steps, you can confidently use Temu's Pay Later option for your next purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.